Pinag-uusapan ngayon sa social media ang naging pagbabahagi ng isang abogado na si Attorney Garrido sa kanyang post mula sa social media nito sa Facebook. Ano nga po ba ang kanyang ibinahagi hinggil sa di umano ay pagkansela ng kasal nila Bea Alonso at Pure Gold CEO Vincent Co? Sino nga daw ba ang tinutukoy ni Attorney Wilfredo Garrido sa post niya na ito na may kinalaman sa prenup? Dear Bride-to-be, pauna pang salita ng nasabing pahayag ni Attorney Garrido. You were ready to sign the prenup but then they added provisions that had nothing to do with property relations. You had every right to refuse. That no longer looks like a prenup but more like a life sentence. For example, it's not right that you are required to live with the in-laws. Ano sila? Hilo? Neither is it fair to ban either party from raising their voice. What if you need to let off steam that often happens in the movies and you are rather good at it? So, why bar what is sometimes perfectly normal and necessary? Would they rather that you take drugs or kill yourself? But the most problematic, the deal breaker, the poison pill, is the provision that in case of separation, you give up custody of your young children. You are giving away a primal, fundamental right, which is probably illegal to waive without court approval. You need to talk Maggie Wilson to know how it feels to lose one's children to the stronger party. It is best to walk away from a lifelong bondage. Your refusal to sign is admirable. Then they can show their prenup, forget the wedding. It doesn't diminish you. Bravo! Nito nga lamang ay naging usap-usapan na tila hindi na nga matutuloy ang kasal nila Bea Alonso at Vincent Co. Walang problema sa prenup. Iyan po ang sinabi ng isang abogado na ito nga si Attorney Garrido. Pero hindi lang pala doon nagtatapos. Hindi lang doon ang issue, kundi ang pag-give up ni Bea Alonso in case daw na magkahiwalay, wala itong magiging karapatan sa mga anak nito. Sa ngayon, wala pang kumpirmasyon ang nasabing bali-balitang ito mula sa aktres na si Bea Alonso. Pero knowing her, mukhang hindi ito magsasalita ng katotohanan sa nangyari nga pong sakasakaling totoong cancellation ng kanilang kasal. Pero malalaman naman yan kung talagang walang mangyayari. Kudos kay Bea Alonso ayon kay Attorney Garrido dahil sa kanyang paninindigan. Well, siguro hindi pa talaga ito yung right time at right person para kay Bea. At yan ang ating showbiz top update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.